This is the Meaco DD8L 8-litre Desiccant dehumidifier, and I've unboxed this unit, this dehumidifier, in another video. There's a link to my full first impressions unboxing review. There's also links to this particular dehumidifier if you want to see how much it is at the moment. But if you're looking into dehumidifiers, when I shoot these videos, I end up having a whole load of footage of the dehumidifier shot from all kinds of different angles. So I thought if you were interested in the DD8L, maybe you'd like to see some of that footage and use it to judge whether or not this is a dehumidifier for your home. The full review is on that link down in the description. What I love about this particular dehumidifier and why this one's different for me is that it's a desiccant dehumidifier, so that you can use this in colder environments. It runs more efficiently in colder rooms. Dehumidifiers work by extracting water out of the air, and that means you get less condensation and less mold. It also means that the air is drier, which makes it less dense and easy to heat. But the problem with a dehumidifier is that it does work better the warmer the room is. This dehumidifier, however, works slightly differently. It has a desiccant inside, and that's what draws the water out of the air, which means that it can do it more efficiently. So if you've got something like a conservatory or a garage, you might want to go for something like this desiccant dehumidifier. A couple of things set this unit apart from the compressor dehumidifiers. You've probably noticed there's a flap at the front which can go up and down to direct the air, and that's quite useful if you've got some laundry. It's nice to have the air kind of whooshed around in different directions, or you can just press a button and have it stay open. It's your choice. It has a really sleek control panel. It's almost like a touch screen. Because it's flat, it's completely wipe clean, which is nice. There's also a coarse filter at the back, so there's a flap at the back which has a grill on it, and that protects the fan from dust building up over time. But the other thing I like about this dehumidifier is that it's got a handle built into the back, so you don't have an annoying thing to pull up. You can just grab it. It's also, I found, for its size, much lighter than my other dehumidifiers. It turns off when it's full, so you won't flood your garage or your conservatory if it does actually fill up. And there's also a connection, so you can connect a pipe and just leave the thing running. You can also use this remotely. I think you can use this with the Meaco app. It's really easy to empty. The built-in water tank is very discreet. You just pull it out as and when. There's even a little window on the side so you can see how full the water level is. This unit, along with the other Meaco dehumidifiers, has been designed to draw in air from the sides. So Meaco say that you can push this up against the wall and still have it work properly. The touchscreen display allows you to set the target humidity, and it has laundry mode as well. So if you're drying some laundry, it can run at high speed and high power. I'll leave you with the footage and the pictures to help you decide whether or not this might be the way to go if you're looking into dehumidifiers. Once again, the links to my full review are down in the description, and also there are links for places where you can buy this.